Hi everyone, today we will solve question number 2 from exercise 1.3, sub question number 1. Question goes like this: find the sums given below. First one, 7 plus 10 and a half plus 14, so on till 84. So it is 7 plus 10 and a half plus 14 plus so on till plus 84. Say this question and the difference between first main question is there the number of terms was given, n was given. Here the last term is given. This is not n but this is an. The last term itself is given. The first term being a1 or a is 7. We need to find out d here. So a is equal to 7. We will note down that d is equal to a2 minus a1, which is equal to a2. a2 is 10 and a half. I am going to convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. So it will become 21 upon 2 minus a1. a1 is nothing but 7. But while doing subtraction and addition, I would like to have both of them as fractions. So 7 can also be written as 7 upon 1. 7 itself is 7 by 1. Now we will just instead of taking out LCM step, to find the common denominator, we will use our regular trick, that is multiply 21 into 1, that is 21 minus 2 into 7, that is 14 upon product of these two denominators, 2 ones are 2, that will be equal to 21 minus 14 is 7 upon 2. So we got D, this is our D. D, we got A. We don't have N, however we have AN. So now using AN formula, let us first find out N value. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D, where AN is 84. I will substitute the values now. 84 is equal to A 7 plus N we don't know. I keep it as N, and then D we just found out it as 7 upon 2. Now simplification, 7 comes to the other side, becomes 84 minus 7 is equal to n minus 1 into 7 by 2. You can apply distributive property here also and then take the constant to the other side, or 84 minus 7 is 77, which is equal to n minus 1 into 7 upon 2. Multiply by 7 by 2 comes to the other side, becomes its reciprocal. The reciprocal is 2 by 7. So it is 77 into 2 by 7, which is equal to n minus 1. Simplification, 7 ones are 7 11s are 11 twos are 22. So this is equal to 22. N minus 1 is 22. What is n? Take minus 1 to the other side, becomes plus 1. So n is equal to 22 plus 1. Therefore n is equal to 23. We got n value. Now it is time to find out Sn, sum of the 23 terms. So we will go to Sn formula. We can use the smaller formula also here, because we know the last term n by 2 into a plus an. Since I know an and a both, we can use this formula. So what is Sn? N is replaced with 23. I will write S23 is equal to 23 upon 2 into a, which is 7, plus an, which is 84. Now S23 is equal to 23 upon 2, okay, into 7 plus 84 is 91. Product of 23 and 91, let us try to find out the product of 23 and 91. 23 and 91 product 23. 3 ones are 3. 3 nines are 27 plus 2 ones are 2. 2 nines are 18. So 3, 7 plus 2 is 9, 8 plus 2 is 10. One carry, that is 2093. So S23 can be written as 2093 divided by 2. That will be the sum of 23 terms. Sub question number 2. Now we will go for substitution number 2. 34 plus 32 plus 30 plus so on till 10. So this is not again, this is not n, this is not a number of terms, it is the last term. So this is an, this is our an. This is a1, a2, a3, so on, an. So what are the things that we know? A is equal to 34, difference d is equal to a2 minus a1, that is equal to 32 minus 34, which is equal to minus 2. Bigger number is minus, so minus 2. That is our D. We got D, we got A. And of course, we have AN, the last term. AN is equal to 10. So the same way how we did the previous problem, let us try to find out N value. So you will use AN formula to find out N value. A plus N minus 1 into D. Apply the values. AN is equal to, direct problem, 10, which is equal to A, which is 34, plus N we don't know, into D. D is minus 2. Be careful whenever a negative comes here, it should not be subtracted. This is actually a product. Try to remember that. Now, 34 comes to the other side, becomes 10 minus 34, which is equal to N minus 1 into minus 2. 10 minus 34 is minus 24, which is equal to, because they are of opposite sides, we subtract. Answer 24, bigger number sign, minus. Then N minus 1 into minus 2. Product of minus 2 comes to the other side, becomes divided by minus 2. See, the sign will not change from minus to plus because it is not additive inverse. We are applying the multiplicative inverse. So it becomes a reciprocal, that's all. So sign will not change. Minus 24 divided by minus 2. Many students get confused here. Sir, minus 2 doesn't it become plus 2? No, it is product. So product, what happens is minus 2 remains minus 2 but becomes divided by, which is equal to N minus 1. Minus cancels. 2 1s are 2 12s are. So N minus 1 is how much? 12. Minus 1 goes to the other side, becomes N is equal to 12 plus 1. So N is equal to 13. Now, here we have got, let us try to find out the sum, that is Sn, sum of first 13 terms. So Sn formula, again I can use N by 2 into A plus An. Why? Because I know both A and An. So N upon 2 into A plus An. So Sn is equal to N, we can replace with the value we found out, 13. S13 is equal to 13 upon 2 into A, which is 34, plus An, which is 10. Further simplification gives us 13 upon 2 into 34 plus 10 is 44. Since this product I can simplify, 2 1s are, 2 2s are, 2 2s are. So S13 is equal to 13 into 22. Product of 13 into 22, 22 into 13. 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6, plus 1 2s are 2, 1 2s are 2. Answer becomes 286. So S13 is equal to, therefore S13 is equal to 286. That is the answer. Okay. So third sub question now we see here. It's minus 5 plus minus 8 plus minus 11, so on, minus 230. So negative numbers are there, we have to be careful. Number little bigger but problem remains same. So what is that? First is A, that is A1, this is A2, A3, so on, this is AN, not N but AN. Now, A is the first term, which is minus 5. Then we go to D. What is D? A2 minus A1. Not necessarily always A2 minus A1. You can find out A3 minus A2 also. Fine. So A2 minus A1. What is A2? Is minus 8. Be careful. Apply the brackets properly, because sometimes without the bracket we may do some errors in the signs. That's why. So minus A1. What is A1? A1 is minus 5. Is equal to minus 8. Minus into minus plus 5. Which is equal to minus 3. This is our D. We got our D. Now last thing that is given is AN. The last term. AN is minus 230. So these are the things we know. In the same way how we solve the sub question 1 and 2, we will follow the same protocol. So what happens? AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So this implies AN. AN is minus 230 is equal to minus 5 plus N we don't know. D, we have found out D as minus 3. Don't forget the brackets. Now, minus 230, minus 230, minus 5 comes to the other side, becomes plus 5 is equal to N minus 1 into minus 3. Minus 230 plus 5, minus 225, minus 225, which is equal to N minus 1 into minus 3. Multiply by minus 3 comes to the other side, becomes divided by minus 3. So minus 225 divided by minus 3 is equal to N minus 1. Now minus minus cancels, divide by 3. 3 ones are, 3 sevens are 21, 1 remainder, so 15, that is 3 5s are 15. So what is N minus 1? We got it as 75. Now what is N is equal to? N is equal to minus 1 goes to the other side, becomes 75 plus 1. So N is equal to 76. We got N value, right? Okay. Now we will try to find out the sum of these 76 terms. We will try to find out the sum of 76 terms. We got N is equal to 76. Now use it for finding out the sum. So Sn formula is equal to N upon 2 into A plus An. Repeatedly I am telling you, because we know A and An both, we can use this formula. Then Sn, N is 76. Then is equal to 76 upon 2 into first term minus 5. Careful there. And change this into a box bracket. So okay, minus 5 plus An is minus 230. Now let us simplify. S76 is equal to 76 by 2. You can simplify this. 2 ones are, 2 3s are 6, 1 remaining, it makes 16. So 3, so 2 8s are, 2 8s are 16. So 38 into, let us simplify this one more step extra. I will just take one more step extra. Minus 5, I just remove the brackets. Plus into minus, minus 230. Now let's simplify that last part. S76 is equal to 38 into minus and minus. Both are minus, means you have to add the values. So it becomes minus 235. Why minus? Because bigger number is negative. Okay. Now product of 235 into 38. S76 is equal to this product. So positive into negative is always negative. Plus into minus, minus. Product of those two numbers, let us find out. 235 into 38. That is what we have to find out. 8 5s are 40, 4 carry. 8 3s are 24 plus 4, 28, 2 carry. 8 2s are 16 plus 2, 18. Plus, now with 3, 3 5s are 15, 1 carry. 3 3s are 9 plus 1, 10, 1 carry. 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7. So, final answer 8 plus 5 is equal to 13, 8 plus 1 9, 7 plus 1 8, 8930. So sum of 76 terms is equal to 8930. This is the final answer.